Spring is an exciting time for movers. In the early spring, there will be a gradual increase in the number of new listings. Now is the time to make sure that your list criteria is set to pinpoint your best potential customers. Make sure that your leads are coming from the best areas and that the maximum and minimum asking price is set, so you reach the homeowners that are most likely to hire you. You'll be ready to start receiving your maximum lead limit in late spring. In March, there will be a burst of activity after spring break. Families start listing their homes, hoping to time the sale so that their move will be during summer break. It is important to make sure that your postcard is in home soon after a home is listed for sale, since the number of days in the market can be short. This timing will ensure that your postcard is received before the homeowners have made any decisions about their mover. Take advantage of the daily leads and printing services at movingleads.com. We ensure your postcard is printed and mailed the same day the lead is available, and we always send them first-class postage for quick delivery. We'll make sure your postcards are in homes as soon as possible for the perfect timing. With thoughtful planning, you can fill your spring and summer calendar with the largest and most profitable moves. Find more information on movingleads.com.